All right, you guys. So this video is going to be based in conjunction with the business funding blueprint, because this is an extra document that we're going to be sending along, which is an Excel spreadsheet file that we had created so that you can keep tabs on all of the trade lines that you're going to be adding throughout the next 90 days. Okay. So what we've done is we've created it so that the tier 1 account, and again, it's in conjunction to the business funding blueprint that you're looking at this. But if you would have clicked on the first link, it would have taken you to JJ Gold. You're now able to easily put your information in here as you get it. Okay. And what you can do too is we've created this little drop down. If you need it to be active or needs finalization, let's say a client, for example, is coming to you and wants you to do this credit building program for them. You may be waiting on a 4-digit code. So you can come in here and you could say, well, it needs finalization. Okay. Or if it's done, you can change it back to active. Again, just to give you a record of all of it, and, so that you could pass that information along is what this document is meant to represent. And since I'm on it, I'll spend a minute more talking about it, which is that as you get down to like the 45-day and the tier 2 situations, the tier 2 lines of credit, this is where you're actually your client and you're going to be probably working a little bit more closely, because these are going to be decisions made that will have some interest rates, of course, attached to them if they decide to go with their terms. But these are cash and also lines of credit. So it goes from your 30 days and 60-day nets into this section. And we just made a really cool Excel spreadsheet file to make things easy to navigate. All right.